Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on Galaxy S23. So first we should open the settings app and then tap to sound and vibration. Here you'll see the sound and mood section. Just to activate silent mode, you should switch sound to the mode one. By this way, we can see that our ringtones, notifications and all of the system sounds, they are muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, switch mode to the sound one, and as you can see, the silent mode successfully turned off. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. First, open notification panel shortcuts. Here you will see the sound icon. Just click twice on this icon. Now the sound switched to the mute one, so the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click to the mute icon and switch it to the sound one. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.